Welcome to my additional inspiration, how to create focus by making a paper frame. When you are overwhelmed with laying out all these wonderful papers, use a paper frame to focus your attention on what the piece needs. And then, of course, just get rid of all those outside distractions, because it'll really help you to make some decisions about the piece. And then you can start playing around with it. Maybe add other papers, maybe cut things, tear things. Keep on putting that frame on to compose your piece so that it becomes something that you feel really good and comfortable and satisfied with. And I love this process. It really, really helps me. I hope it does to you too. And join our classes online.